Hey guys, it's your girl Rayanne Samanthaaa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I just did a quick halo braid. I did two braids and then I turned it into a quick halo braid. This is a style you can do when you're kind of like in between styles, in between wash day. It's a super cute, super easy, effortless look. And once this is done, you can also wear it in kind of like a messy, fluffy braid out. So it serves as many different looks. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm starting my hair on stretched, really dry. On the stretch, I just had my hair in basically two chunky braids because I wanted to stretch it. But my hair lately has been feeling really dry and it's just been like literally falling out. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but every time I touch my hair, it's been shedding really badly. I've had a lot of single strand knots, so I definitely think I'm gonna be doing a trim and some sort of treatment, because look at these ends, you guys. Like, my hair is just, I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm just gonna get into the style. What I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna try and put some moisture back into my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead first and, as I said, moisturize my hair and then just prep it for this halo braid look. So first off, I'm going to split my hair into two sections in the back. I really also do need to detangle, so that's what I'm going to be doing after I moisturize my hair. So I'm just going to lightly spritz my hair with some water. I'm not doing anything crazy because I've already gone and stretched my hair, so I don't want it to revert completely. I don't want it to revert back completely. So I'm just going to add some Alakay Naturals lemongrass leave-in all over this section. Okay, so now my hair is nice and moisturized to the best of my ability. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. I want to do kind of like a deep side part, so that's what I'm gonna do. My parts are always super crooked when I try and do it on camera, so just try and bear with me. So next I'm just adding some Eco Styler gel just to the perimeter of my hair so that my edges can be laid and slayed. So just use a bristle brush and brush down all the areas that you just put the gel in so that your braid can be nice and neat and you don't have any flyaways. Also, the key to this style is detangled hair. If your hair is not detangled, your braid's going to be really lopsided and not very even and just kind of messy. So definitely take your time and detangle your hair. So now that that's pretty much detangled, I'm going to start braiding my hair. So now to just finesse my edges, I'm going back with my Eco Styler gel and just placing that all over my edges, and then I'm just going to use my edge brush and create some swoops, and then I'm going to tie my head down. Just for some sleekness, I'm just going to bobby pin the inside of my braid so that those hairs that I just brushed back will just lay nice and flat down. So my edges are laid. I took off my scarf and this is how my hair is looking. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick 360. You can either leave your hair down, leave the braids down, or you can pin them up, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So I'm just getting a couple of bobby pins and I'm literally just going to pin the braids up. Nothing super fancy. Crossing them in the back. I'm just going to cross them in the back like this and just pin them up. So this is how simple it is. It's super easy. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks at the back. This is just a really simple, cute look. If you're running low on time and you don't have time to do a twisted or a braid out or something like that, this is something really simple that you guys can do. So yeah, let me know what you guys like better. Do you like the braids down or do you like the braids twisted up in a kind of faux halo braid? Let me know, guys, let me know. But that is all I have for you guys for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!